Hello guys, welcome back Harry's Motortech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to maintain your bike in laptop period. Come on, let's see.
Are you
And lots of people say, start your bike in 2 minutes run. It's not kind of good for me. Okay, my opinion is remove the terminal or remove the battery out of the bike. Okay, because battery health is more important. And when you are riding, place the battery back and right out there, remove and remove the key and remove the seat, and you need a 10 tubular or 10 spanner. Okay, and slightly remove the front seat. Boom. Okay, put the same 10 bolt and remove it. Remove the battery. It's good for battery health and good for a bike. Okay, place it over and then place it back there and slightly push the front seat. Okay, little bite twist, right? Okay, and then place it back the backrest. Push it, slide and pump it up. The bike was now cool, and back to the key. Put it back. Everything is normal, cool. Okay guys, and now we are going to put wax into my bike, and this is the paste wax. Okay, lots of people buy a liquid wax. Please don't go for it because liquid wax is not cool for it. Please buy a paste wax. It's quite little expensive, more than that. Okay, so it's a liquid wax. I think it's 150 something like that, but paste wax is quite costly, 500 something. And please go for it, paste wax. It's really cool for a bike and car. You can use it car and bike, whatever it's automobile is. Okay, please go for a paste wax. And if you wash your bike, please put the wax on it. Normally I wash my bike in weekly once. Okay, weekly once I do pressure wash to my bike and put wax on it, and it's really cool and awesome for paste wax. Okay guys, let's put the paste wax. Slightly open the cap, and this is the sponge. You can always use this type of sponge for waxing. Okay, back. Let's see what is paste wax looks. This is the paste wax. Okay, this is the paste wax, and make sure little bite. Okay, little bite. Okay, it's good enough for all over the bike. Okay, it's good enough for all over the bike, and place it back there and at the safe place, and place it like a little dot first. Tip, peep, 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 peep. Then scrub like a round shape. Some little buddy over there. You can see. Hey little buddy, what up? He says choo 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 choo. Okay. Okay guys, after you put the paste wax, wait for 2 or 3 minutes and make sure use microfiber. Okay, make sure use microfiber, and do not use some household cloth like towel, or these cloths are made for specially automobiles. Okay, please go for a microfiber cloth. I put the link in the description below, and please go for a microfiber cloth. Okay, and after dry, let's clean the wax with microfiber. Oh, hey. This is the microfiber cloth, and wax was dried. Now clean the wax. Okay, always scrub. Now look at the shine now. You can see the shine now, right? after you finish all maintenance, and put some body cover on the bike. And I hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Stay tuned. Okay, upcoming video, it's really good and awesome. Stay tuned guys. Okay, bye bye.